Let's go, baby. Let's go. Rob is currently doing his hair and his makeup. I was making some coffee. Let's go. What's going on, Tom? Good morning. Good morning. It's already Wednesday. Oh, good morning, Robert Brown. There we go. 60 guys. What did Doge hit yesterday? I believe it tapped. It tapped 69 for like a split second and it came back down. I just said I'm gonna hit 69 for the memes and I'm gonna retrace and pull back. I was watching it and now it's not showing 60, 70s here, no, right? No. I could have sworn I saw screenshots on there. It did, right? Morning, Dante. Morning, the Second King. Tesla's up this morning too. We had some positive news with the ADP numbers, I believe. How many numbers were added? Let me see. How many jobs? Give me the number. Give me the number. Give me the number. Let me look through Twitter really quick to find that. Facebook will uphold Trump ban, but will reassess the decision over coming months. So I guess that's what we were waiting for too a couple days ago. So I guess he's still banned. Let's see. Oh, U.S. gains 742,000 private sector jobs in April as surging economy spurs a hiring spree. So I think that's the main catalyst today. Apart from being oversold, we're green today. Today might be a green day. Look at futures, beautiful rebound. So we're not getting that momentum downward yet. We're not seeing that yet. So let's see what today holds for us. Morning, Andrew. We have two Andrews, Andrew P52 and Andrew. Good morning, both. Raphael, good morning. Keith, good morning. Let's see, what was I gonna look up? Let's see what's trending on Twitter. Oh, hashtag delete Facebook is trending on Twitter. All right, Facebook stock. Let's take a look at Facebook stock. We got 5 minutes left before the market opens. Facebook is actually up pre-market at 320. So we kind of had this dip here once the news was announced. It came out on 317. Now we're back at 320. Let's go back to Tesla. Let's take a look at NEO. GameStop. GameStop. 162. Airlines. Nothing crazy. Let's look at Discovery. Viacom. Twitter maybe. Up pre-market. Yep. 54.86. Coinbase. Let me take a look at 10-year. What is a 10-year yield at? All right, so delete Facebook is trending. Mr. Trump is trending. Cinco for good. Oh, Cinco de Mayo. I did not even notice that. Dogecoin Army is trending. Jon Stewart is trending. The three-fifths compromise. That sounds familiar from a history class. I don't even remember. Was that because of the land, right? Or no, wait. Oh no, is that? Oh, it was. It's the something that has to do with slaves. Three-fifths compromise. Isn't it that slaves were only like three-fifths of a person? I think if that's what I recall properly. I don't know. I do not remember. Hashtag Trump banned is trending. Pray for Tigray is trending. I need to know. I need to look that up or it's gonna bother me. Three-fifths compromise. What is it? The three-fifths compromise was a compromise reached among state delegates during the 1787 U.S. Constitutional Convention due to disputes over how enslaved people would only be counted when determining a state's total population. Oh, there we go. That would have bothered me if I did not know what that was. Doge is making me a thousandaire. Man, believe it or not, Dogecoin made a lot of millionaires along with GameStop. I saw a screen recording the other day. I mean, this guy yesterday just put 900 bucks when it was at 0.006, and now he's up like 100 grand on that. At 67, he's up 100 grand. Like, congrats. That's amazing. And there's another guy up like 3, 4 million bucks on Dogecoin. It is crazy. You love to see it, baby. You love to see a coin like Dogecoin do that. Morning, Victor. Tesla a buy at 664 was solid. Yeah, you guys remember yesterday we were trying to buy the dip here, and I wasn't really convinced because I thought we would have sold off even more. So we were, yeah, around 650s, 657, and we never really pulled the trigger. That would have been an amazing. I would have even probably sold right here, anyways. Doesn't matter. I would probably wouldn't even have swung traded, so it doesn't even matter. Good morning, Gilbert. Um, guys, guess who's going IPO? Krispy Kreme donuts, which, by the way, I think they give you free donuts if you get vaccinated. So I'm gonna go get vaccinated. Probably not, actually. The line's always ridiculous. You probably have to wait in line for like an hour. But they're going IPO. I like the stock. I think it'll do well. I think it's one of those Warren Buffett plays. Consistent earnings, low R&D cost, simple product people love. Donuts, right? I'm all over that Krispy Kreme. Yeah, a lot of people like it. I mean, last time I was there, I waited an hour in line. And I'm like, how do people do this? Did you see Gary V news? I told you guys. Wait for May 5th. He has something crazy coming up. I saw him trending, but I was making coffee and I didn't even see what he announced. But I know it had to be today, and I know it had to do with NFTs. So can someone just break it to me? I haven't gone on Instagram. Usually I see him on Instagram, but he was here on Twitter for a split second. Are you going to get Arby's for lunch? Absolutely not. We're trying to lose 5 pounds this month, man. We're trying. I feel good. I feel amazing right now. All right, we got 3 seconds. Here we go. All right, all right. Give me signs. Give me direction, baby. Futures, give me direction. Tesla, give me direction. Let's take a look at SPY really quick. Oh wow, what a beautiful recovery after pre-market and after hours. 417, GameStop, 160s, Neo, 3840. Come on, Doge. It's been holding pretty nicely at 67. So no one knows what Gary V did. Let's see, Gary V. Just Google a quick search on Gary V. Gary V is launching. Oh, it's on CNBC. There we go. Gary V is launching an NFT linked to Ethereum cryptocurrency. Wow, what's Ethereum at now? Pretty sure that got a quick ETH, a quick jump in price. 33. He said, I know that NFTs will be here for the rest of my life. I agree. Entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk, an early investor in Facebook over in Coinbaser, is joining the NFT boom. Okay, he's launching an NFT called VeeFriends. His first collection of VeeFriends, a series of 2,255 character tokens available for purchase via the cryptocurrency Ethereum. What a legend this guy is, man. He's called every trend, and he has videos of proof of him calling a lot of trends. The rise of TikTok, everything. Jim Cramer said he recently used Bitcoin to pay a mortgage. I think that everybody in small businesses is going to learn that NFTs are a way to do memberships, clubs, and discounts. Gary the man, Gary the legend. NQ is running. Yes, futures are running. Take a look at Apple really quick. 130. Facebook also trying to push. We're kind of getting pushed down to with the Trump news. I think that's a negative catalyst for Facebook today. There's a lot of disappointed people. It's trending on Twitter, baby. Delete Facebook. Well, that's not good at all for the stonk. Yeah, I'm getting spam with the Wall Street Journal too. GameStop 162. Kramer called another commentator a proud boy. What a joke that guy is. Sonny B, I'll see you later during Power Hour. Have a blessed day, blessed morning. I'll see you. Thank you for stopping by. All right, you guys are saying Kramer was ridiculous yesterday. What is Kramer doing now? Man, he's been in the news. He's been trending everywhere. You see him on Reddit. You see him on you see him in Discords too. People are sharing the videos on YouTube too. He definitely knows how to get attention though. All right, Tesla coming back down, man. Oh, Equinox, the gym. I believe they were gonna go the SPAC route, guys. Equinox. It's a very high-end gym too, by the way. For those of you that are not familiar with Equinox, a lot of like celebrities are known to be going there. High-profile people. It's like a good place to network, actually, too. So I guess they were going public. That and Krispy Kreme. Let's see, Krispy Kreme, Krispy. You know, if there was any company that's private that would go public that would really want to go long term, is In-N-Out, man. Which I don't think will ever go public, by the way. In-N-Out is that again that Warren Buffett stock, man. That Warren Buffett stock. Yeah, the Arctic. I think we hit 69 yesterday. Tesla's dropping, by the way. I think we hit 69. I saw screenshots too. The 10 years at 1.591. So it's still coming down. All right. Oh yeah, Krispy Kreme Foster IPO 5 years after going private. Come on, man. You know, I'm waiting for you. One person owns all the In-N-Outs. It's this one woman. What's her name? I had to do a project like in high school on it. They have a couple locations, Arizona, Cali. They have one in Texas? No, I don't think so. I don't remember. Or do they? Oh, they do. Pahoon. Her name is Lindsay Snyder. Yes, there we go. Yep, there you go. See, Mr. Deng knows what's up. Actually, the first In-N-Out was actually made in the city I was born, in the city I grew up in. All right, let's talk about Krispy Kreme. The company first went public in 2000, but had to file a Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Company raising 167 billion in 2020. Okay. There's no like date. Hmm. All right, there we go. Futures are reversing. So usually around 30 minutes or so, we kind of get that direction. Let's see. No, there really isn't any signs of dates just yet. It's like Coinbase when they were going IPO. They said July, and look what happened. Came out in April. But you guys remember? You guys know what happens with IPOs, man. This is the one we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to just wait to see what happens. Like, wait to find some support levels, a good entry price. I hate In-N-Out fries. Why? Because they're not salty and greasy. I mean, like McDonald's. I mean, they're not bad. My sister works for In-N-Out forever. Went from a store to the all-star team to corporate. Wow. What's going on, Edward? All right, there we go, CNBC. Equinox. Again, another SPAC, man. And you know how SPACs have been taking a hit lately. Makes you kind of feel a little uneasy, you know? They don't have the best reputation at the moment. Let's zoom in on this really quick. I think my face is blocking it. They taste like real food. Yeah, that's what I'm sure it's gonna do. The IPO is probably gonna rip a little bit, just like Coinbase, and then it's gonna pull on back with people taking profits. Damn, over the last 3 months, Dogecoin is up 1100%. Shh. All right, Tesla dropping. Yeah, you could order a lot of things, extra crispy. There we go. Stocks open higher after ADP jobs report. AMC is dropping. How's AMC doing today? I don't think I've glanced at AMC yet. Wait, what? Earnings? Am I losing my mind or did they report tomorrow? I thought it was. What? I thought it was. Yeah, wait a minute. I guess I'm losing my mind. I guess the earnings were yesterday. Huh. And they beat earnings. That's amazing. Yeah, we expected a beat actually. Huh, that's weird. So we did expect the beat. I remember we did the Q4 earnings, which were obviously were going to be horrible. They were shut down, and then I said earnings for first quarter are going to matter more than fourth quarter. Wait, tomorrow? Then what is this? Estimates were negative 1.14 per share, and then they actually beat. That was fake report. I don't know. It's on Thinkorswim right now. I don't know if it's fake. Or am I getting trolled? Or is it just my glasses? That's so weird. Why would a stock drop if you beat earnings? Welcome to the stock market. This isn't, I don't know. That's so weird. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's, yeah, I think you guys are right. That's not on here. Huh. That's kind of odd. That's weird. I've never seen that on Thinkorswim like that. I'm actually curious now. Let's see. AMC. AMC earnings. They should beat though. They should beat earnings, by the way. Yeah, that's fake then. I don't know who did that, or it's some kind of glitch, I guess. Yeah. LOL, almost every company that beat earnings stock dropped this past. Yep, that's the stock market, guys. So look at Amazon, man. Amazon, ridiculous historic earnings. The stock shot up. And then it started selling off. And then we had Kramer crying on CNBC saying, why are people selling? Look at this. Look at this. And the next day it was back to where it closed. And then now we hit a new low. People like taking profits. There's a lot of uncertainty right now. Doge 66 still. All right, let's see. Earnings after the market closes. We have PayPal today. We have Rocket. You guys remember RKT? Rocket. We have Etsy. We have Uber. Any big Etsy shoppers here? We also have Fox. Other notable ones. Uber. Uber. That's it. And maybe GoDaddy. That's today after the market closes, by the way. Kramer crying because people sold high where he bought. I have a feeling, man. I have a feeling. All right, Tesla's pushing. The next biggest catalyst is probably going to be Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live. We're still waiting for that. The Biden EV tax credit, baby. It's probably going to... They said it was 7,500 at first, and then now it's going to be 10,000, which just gives an incentive to buy a Tesla. Look at that dip and rip you missed, bro. Yeah, I mean, as a day trader, I mean, this is just like amazing, but I haven't traded Tesla since I got collapsed, so I'm being patient, man. I'm being very patient. I'd rather not trade anything and let it bounce and me miss it than entering and I'm like, damn it, I was right. I should have waited, and it continues to fall. So let's see. Banks, including Credit Suisse and Morgan Stanley, are reviewing their businesses that offer financing to hedge funds and family offices to avoid another Archegos-like event. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I read that the guy, one of the guys who lended the money or who they had to go through to approve, was a salesperson at Archegos. So there's that conflict right there. By the way, Tesla, what the... That's a beautiful rally. Oh my God, that's like some news right there that came out. That's a nice, amazing, juicy green candle. Oh my gosh. I'm getting FOMO. That's insane. Future still pushing. Love to see it. So now we're back to Monday levels. This stock does just not fall, man. This stock does not fall. Oh my gosh. Delicious green apple today. Yeah, apple's probably rallying too. Let's take a look really quick. Ooh, 130, 40. Facebook, 320, 40. Microsoft was another one that was taking a beating. Bouncing off SMA. Set an alert just in case. Viacom is down again. This one, we're waiting for you to come down, baby. MasterCard, new high. Visa, 234 new high. Neo, today's Wednesday, right? Neo has that event tomorrow. Neo Norway. I'm never watching anything on CBS again. What's going on, Alex? I think I noticed you changed your profile picture. Is that a Supra or is that a Mustang 5.0? I have a store, Torch Art Shop on Etsy. There we go. Shout out to Torch Art Shop. So I guess the real reason we just crashed yesterday was because of Janet Yellen, man. Janet Yellen wanted to buy the dip. Oh, that's my Mustang. That's what I'm trading in for your Tesla, right? I remember. I remember. 684 nailed it, got filled, and I can rest easy. There we go, baby. Lock in those profits. Let's see. Here's Credit Suisse's top new picks ideas for May, and they have a picture of Peloton. Look at this. They're recommending Peloton. Let's see. Let's see what they say. I'll have to pay for this. CNBC Pro. At least we get one for free. Peloton. Let's see. Is Peloton still under 100? Maybe 93 bucks? 98. Yeah, they made some changes, by the way. Oh, they have earnings too. It's coming up. Yeah. Equinox is going to be some competition. Especially since gyms started opening again too. Let's see. Pull up Bloomberg really quick. The first thing on Bloomberg, the Dogecoin joke turned serious in latest crypto binge. It turned serious? Really? Oh, Tesla's coming back down. Um, 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 um. Hmm. What's the next play, man? What is the next play? Doge was a meme when it first was created. Like literally, it was a joke. The guy that started it sold all of his Doge back in 2015. Look at GameStop candles low volume. Yeah. I mean, we're right around 162. We were talking about the technicals yesterday. We should be, what is this? 160, at least above 165 today for GameStop to be in safe territory. Above 165 would be great. We're not that far away. But I mean, you're right. There's not that much volume on here. OCGN is looking hot again. It's up to almost 10% today. I just wouldn't touch any of these stocks. Microvision, none of those. HCMC, how's that doing? Oof, yeah, back down. Pump and dump. People got out. Microvision, down 5% today. I mean, yesterday this one was running, right? Yeah. It was running into the market close, and I don't trust these stocks, especially a stock like this. That's on Wall Street Bets that has crappy fundamentals. I saw this yesterday somewhere. They were calling this fraud. Where was this? I think it was on Reddit. I still get alerts from Reddit. I think it was on there. And now it's back down. It's coming back down. But I think this is a stock that's probably gonna still continue to have these random spikes like it had yesterday. It's still gonna have those spikes. You're just gonna have a lot of people that want to get out. That's why you have the sell-offs. Tesla can't hold, it isn't holding. I think it's holding pretty well right now. It's right around SMA E, man, the 1 minute. I think it's holding pretty well, so let's see. But you gotta, oh yeah, Nasdaq is pulling back too. So usually, like I said, wait like 30 minutes and then we have sensitive direction. So I think you might be right. We have like 7 minutes or so before we have the first 30 minutes of the market open, and we're still around the same level as we opened. So we haven't really gotten anywhere far, like yesterday where we had this complete sell-off. So give it some time. I don't know if that's true. Tiger, is that the guy from? I don't know who that is. Tiger King's Carol. Tiger King. Is that the show? Yeah, right, from Netflix. See, like this was so hot, the Joe Exotic thing, whatever, like the Tiger King, but I just don't keep up with this guy. I've never seen one episode or a second of the show at all. I know you might be thinking like, what the heck, Ralph? Like, you're missing out. But I just can't sit down and just turn on Netflix. I don't even have a Netflix account. I don't know who that is. NFT, I don't know if they made an NFT. When is AMC earnings? Tomorrow. It should be tomorrow. But I don't know why Think or Swim is showing that they had earnings yesterday. It's just so weird. How do you Netflix and chill? I don't. You should watch some. See, like the only thing I really saw on Netflix, but it wasn't even out on Netflix. I saw it like through some website, like illegally, was the Michael Jordan, The Last Dance. If you saw that, it was epic. I even went out to buy what's his name? Phil Jackson's book, 11 Rings, and I read it. It's amazing, amazing book. See, like things like that interest me more than like some Tiger guy. Like the legacy of Michael Jordan, his crazy, almost, I guess people would consider him a psychopath mindset. It's crazy. What? Dark Souls GameStop, I'm blaming Ralph on setting my car on fire. AMC rescheduled their meeting yesterday. Yeah, yeah, they did to June 2nd or July 27th, something around that. What's a good book I recommend? I don't know, I have a lot back here. I have a ton of books. I love books. Books over Netflix any day, baby. Yeah, but I guess I could say one of my favorite books is probably Tony Robbins, man. Tony Robbins, Awakening the Giant Within. That's a book that really changed my life. You have your other self-help books. The One Big Thing, of course, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Doge is dropping, by the way. Books on my sleeping pill. Yeah, try The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People by I think it's Stephen Covey. The Seven Habits. This one, Effective People. Stephen R. Covey. Yeah, Stephen Covey. Hey, this one's a really good one too. Oh wow, futures are going south now. We're going down, baby. Now Tesla's dropping back down. Tesla did this the other day too. It shot up, looks bullish, and then look at the consecutiveness in the red candles. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine red candles. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. That one's also a good one. I know he goes kind of crazy on Twitter trying to pump Bitcoin. It says the economy is going to collapse and we're all going to burn. But that's a good book too. Under Armour had earnings yesterday. I believe they did. I saw a tweet that their CEO was going to be Under Armour is UA, right? UA, Under Armour, yes. They didn't have earnings yesterday. Oh, they had a pre-market. Yes, pre-market. And the stock is moving up today. Price target raised at UBS 236 from 26. That's just a pretty cheap stock. 30 bucks. I mean, does anybody really love Under Armour? I'm more of a Nike type of guy. NKE baby. I mean, not even anymore. Ever since Nike released those weird satanic shoes with like, what's that one artist? The one who says Old Town Road. What's his name? I forget his name. I'm in a massive brain fart right now. I don't listen to him, but what's his name, man? The Old Town Road guy. Lil Nas, I think. Lil Nas X. I think that's his name. I won't buy Nike. Yeah, ever since they came out with that shoe, I was really tripping, man. I saw it. I was on my phone. I remember on Twitter, I was like, "This, there's no." It was trending, by the way. I was like, "There's no way they made a shoe like this." I don't know how the marketing department approved that. It's really and they removed it by the way because they got a lot of backlash, and it just makes you not. Some may argue, but just for my like personally, it makes you not want to like. I don't know, be attached to the brand anymore. I won't buy Nike. The Art of War, that was a good book. See, you have to read books that withstand the test of time. The Art of War is another one. I know the Bible is another one. The Bible is probably the biggest one. Um, How to Win Friends. That's the best book ever, by the way. How to Win Friends and Influence People. That's another classic. Oh man, if you want to be really good with people, influence people, that's the one. I think even Warren Buffett talks about that stock. No, 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 no. Let me see. How to win. That's I think Dale Carnegie, right? How to win friends and influence people. Warren Buffett actually took a course from and with Dale Carnegie, not the book. He took an actual course, and Warren Buffett said that all the degrees don't even matter to him. The thing he has hung on his office behind his desk is that certificate from that speech class. He says without the class, he would not be where he's at today. The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. That's another amazing book. I think it's Robert Greene. 48 Laws of Power. This is another one. It's a red book. Yeah, Robert Greene. Robert G. Pump, baby. This is another good one. Yeah, Dale Carnegie's the man. Wow, more red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that many consecutive red candles, I swear. There we go. Anything by Maxwell? Yeah, Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz is a good one. Talks about he's a plastic surgeon, right? He talks about how he does surgery on people and how they change their personality. So a lot of the problems people have is that it's all like personality based. So you kind of attach yourself to your problems. I have his book here too. That's a really good one, by the way. Watch. This one, baby. The OG, Psycho-Cybernetics. It says, let this famous plastic surgeon's remarkable discovery help you escape life's dull, monotonous routine, make you look younger, feel healthier, and be more successful. Sounds like a scam, right? Sounds like one of those infomercials, but it's actually a really good book. And it's just the way you picture yourself. It's crazy. I think you'd be into the 4 Hour Work Week. I never really liked that by Tim Ferriss. I'd rather go with Tim Ferriss, his other book. It's like the big fat book. It's called Tools of Titans or something like that. Titan Tools. It's a huge book, and it literally he interviews high-profile CEOs. They have a lot of people on there. He asks some questions, talk about their daily routine. At the end of the book, he finds some consistency in these habits of these successful people. They wake up earlier. They have a certain routine in the morning. They exercise. Exercising, you have no idea, is probably the most important thing, consistent and in successful people. Exercising. Tools of Titans, I think it's called. Tools of Titans. It's this massive book. Let me see if I have it. It's this massive book, man. Look at the girth in this book. Look at the girth. That's nuts. It says the tactics, routines, and habits of billionaires, icons, and world-class performers. I highly recommend you read this. UAL is coming down. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, futures are coming down a bit here. Finally, a green candle on Tesla. If I was buying the dip here, I would have got probably clapped. I would have already cut my loss. So even when I'm not trading, I'm placing trades mentally and I'm trying to see where I would have bought. It's way too big. You don't have to read it word by word. Just skip to the people you're interested in. Like Tony Robbins is in there, and go from there. I'll check that out. Looks interesting. I'll definitely second you to How to Win Friends and Influence People. That's a good classic for a reason. Yes, I have that one too. How to Win Friends. Amazing book, man. You kind of start with those soft skills, you know? Those soft skills. Being able to sell, persuasion. I love sales. I love cold calling. And then you move on to the hard skills. How to create an Excel spreadsheet. How to do technical analysis on stocks. There we go, guys. We're having direction again. Downward, man. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. That's quite an ugly red candle. I kind of want to buy this. AMC lower day. I have an alert out here at under 9. I'd be very interested in day trading under 9. That's what I have my alert. But other than that, it's not. I'm not interested. Oh, what's dropping the markets now? Sell in May and go away? What's going on? A horse running? Welcome back. Welcome back. You came back during the blood, man. We just sold off right now. The sky is fall. I think you meant the sky is falling. I'm short on AMC still. How are you able to find shorts or shares to short? I mean, you have puts on it. You play any Tesla today, yeah. MindMed is down. You can get the most value of it reading 10% of it. Yeah, usually the people, I forgot the statistic, but it says that usually people who pick up a book never even finish it. I forgot the number. It's a high percentage, though. It's ridiculous. You pick up the book, you read the first couple pages, and then you're done. You don't complete through it. So, even just, yeah, a lot of people don't read. I forgot, I think it was 60% of people, of Americans who graduate high school don't pick up a book after they graduate. It's crazy. But yeah, there we are on Netflix, man. Books are knowledge. Books are wealth, baby. It's like you're talking to. It's like Dale. It's like taking a course on Dale Carnegie. These people who are gone, they're no longer here. It's like if they were to mentor you. You get me? Mr. Dank, loving the games, baby. There we go. 90% of the material in books is fluff. Yes, that too. That too. Especially nowadays. I mean, all the usually it's at the end of a chapter or the first beginning paragraphs where the real meat is. Other than that, it's gonna be a lot of anecdotes, a lot of stories. But obviously, who's gonna buy a book for 30 bucks? That's 5 pages long. Nobody. So they have to fill it in, you know. Books kick ass. Don't make me kick your ass. Read a book. I think yeah, you just got here, man. We were talking about books like a couple minutes ago. But a lot of the OGs, The Art of War, my notes for a lot of my books. Yeah, I take notes on these books too. Self-image and creative mechanism, practice and experience, creative imagination. You must have a goal already in existence now. Think in terms of end results. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Trial and error till success takes over. Imagination, that's a big one too. Direction, failure. Practice positive mental imagery, that too. Rehearse, man, rehearse it. If it happens in here in your brain, it can happen anywhere, baby. Like the guy who run the first 4 minute mile. What's his name? Roger Bannister, I think. Let's see. Who ran the first 4 minute mile? Yep, Roger Bannister. A 4 minute mile, baby. They said it was impossible. He said, absolutely not. I'm gonna break that. And he visualized himself running the 4 minute mile, and he did it. And after he did it, Like 20 other people did it within the same year. That's the power, baby. Don't let anybody tell you can't do anything. Doge 64. I guess can it be, guys, that this overall Nasdaq drop is affecting Doge? I'm kind of thinking of that. Most books these days could be blog posts. No one's in the pay, man. They got to make that money, you know? We've gone from stocks to book reviews and self-help. Yeah, someone say Barcelona. Wink, Coin, all gaming platforms are going to be using this. Sponsors of the, uh, Vanish, I want some of that. Talk to me about soccer, baby. I'm all ears. Can you talk about Wing Coin? I can't because I don't know anything about it. The Wing Coin, let's see. Price prediction. Oh, you're right. Barcelona. There, it's on Twitter for like Barcelona. I kind of want this. It's very cheap too. The only reason I'm tilted right now is because of the soccer and it's cheap. I demand Castaneda book reviews videos for the weekend. Would anybody watch that? We should get a book club. Someone has told me that. Like, you should start a book club. Alrighty, alrighty. Futures another leg down. Will the bleeding continue? Oh my God, lumber futures extend to record rally to top 1500 for the first time. Futures lumber is going through the roof to the moon. Oh my God, Peloton. Breaking news on Peloton. Peloton recalling all treadmill products after reports of injuries and one death. CEO says the company made a mistake. We were just watching the stock like what, 3 minutes ago? Actually, like 10 minutes ago, and the stock just tanked. The stock is tanking, guys. Peloton breaking news. Wow. That's crazy. Lumber's the real gold. That's where the real money's at. Mark Wahlberg gained 20 pounds in just 3 weeks for a role. Why is that on here? It takes years of fine tuning and training the body to achieve results, and only 3 weeks of bad eating to lose it. That's true. That's true. You were gonna buy puts of Peloton? That's what I thought, Robert. Didn't they announce that? Someone there was two accidents, I believe, with Peloton, and that stock already took a hit. I mean, people sell headlines all the time, so I don't know why it's selling off like this. What's going on, Will? Good morning, my friend. Molly Stong Doge pump inbound. Yeah, we're kind of dropping here in Doge. Since the baby disaster. I don't know why the stock is dropping just now like this. We've already had that baby disaster. Rest in peace. That's unfortunate. Yeah, Peloton crushed 3 months ago, was it? I thought it was recently. I thought it was not that long ago. Peloton accident. Oh, March. No, wait. Yeah, March. 38 other injuries. There you go. Let's see, Peloton stock. Yeah, the stock is literally just on fire right now. Kind of bouncing here too. Dead cat. Someone said I'm gonna take a ride on my Peloton bike to boost the stock. What? Yeah, Peloton recalling all treadmills. That's the news, guys. Sell the headlines. That's exactly what we're seeing here. Why is it not on here? Thinkorswim is so slow with their news. Oh, it's already here. 708. A little late, but I'll take it. There's a class action lawsuit against them. That's a lawsuit. That's not good at all. I may buy a Peloton again. Yeah, it's looking a little appealing for a dead cat. Looks, it reminds me of Twitter. Just wait until their bikes start falling over. All right, Peloton should bounce to like 92 right now. Let's see. See how strong that bounce is. If not, let's set an alert for at or under 88. Yeah, Ross tweeted too. I guess the news is just spreading now. He says, wow, Peloton recalling all their treadmills due to injuries. Huge blow to the brand, down hard. I agree. That is not great. Market Watch. Peloton shares fall nearly 10% on recall treadmill and Tread Plus products. Tread Plus. Under Armour news. There it goes. It's bouncing. Coinbase is almost down to the 270 mark. Yesterday, I was taking a look at the Kathy Wood ARK investment buys. Zero Tesla, zero Twitter, and zero Coinbase. They're done buying these dips that just continue to dip. Like I said, they buy way too early, man. Look at Twitter, back down. I love it. Tesla's coming down too. I have a treadmill with the 70-inch TV in front. Is it a Peloton treadmill though? Spend the money on a real bike and you can actually go places. I mean, the overall reason Peloton went up is because of the whole pandemic, man. And now people are realizing, hey, it's actually kind of safe. We're getting vaccinated. You could go out for a little bike, a little ride. I have a treadmill and little kids. They are not allowed in the same room when it's plugged in. Yeah, that's very unfortunate. The brand, the company is under some heat, and I would not want to be a shareholder right now. Absolutely not. Like as a CEO, like put you like you guys try to put yourself in a situation. Like, what do you do? Think like a CEO. Like you just recalled all of your products. Hmm. Not just that, your brand is literally on Twitter trending negatively. Like, how do you come out from that? Yeah, Doge 64. The Molly Fool kept recommending them too. Everything the Molly Fool says, do the opposite. Everything Jim Cramer says, do the opposite. Dark says stationary bikes had giant spinning blades when I was a kid. Are you kidding me? Yeah, quarantine did do wonders for Peloton. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the blades are you said that are on the bikes. When I think blades, I think of huge, like blades. Not a fan. Yeah, one thing I've been wanting to get is one of those treadmill desks or the stand-up ones at least. Now, getting some of those steps, because usually you're supposed to take around 10,000 steps a day, and that's a lot of steps. And sitting down here doesn't really help. Uh, Futures bouncing back. Yeah, that's a tough spot. Baby Death has to be near like the top three worst company headlines you can catch. It's a tough spot, man. Like I don't know what like it'd be really difficult to come out with next steps. Get a Fitbit. I had a Fitbit. Yeah, I do have a Fitbit. I also had the Apple Watch. You track your steps on there, try to hit 10,000 steps. Walking is literally underrated. Somebody who like me who messed up their knees playing soccer, both knees, walking is probably like the best thing. Underrated, baby. Clear the mind, clear the soul. Your ideas come when you're walking too, when you're showering, like things like that. Yeah, headline's a headline, man. They're gonna see that. People are gonna get spooked. Dogecoin 64. Pretty weird market, right? Pretty weird market open. How do you hurt your knees as a water boy? What? Isn't it kind of dangerous to have your treadmill in the shower while showering? Robert's strolling right now. Your shower treadmill. That's a money idea right there, Robert. You're gonna electrocute yourself. Oh man, who would want to walk in the shower, man? I mean, I love the ideas. I love it. All right, here we go. We're coming back down. That's the only way to treadmill. Not gonna lie, I miss when you'd be on for the day covering GameStop AMC, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I miss it too, man. I miss. I don't think it was the GameStop AMC. It was the price action. It was the momentum and the movement, the volatility, the hype we had. I miss it. I miss it. And we haven't seen that with other stocks as well. Even with GameStop AMC, they haven't seen it. It's just not there right now, you know? So I miss it too, you know? It is what it is, though. That's a banger concept. You said it is when you get ideas walking while showering. No, I said walking and showering, not together, like separately. Treadmill. Oh man. Watch somebody come up with that idea and become multimillionaires. We're gonna look back at the stream and be like, damn, we had that idea first. Oh, the excitement is coming in with Ethereum and Doge, man. Doge actually brought that back a little bit. I agree. Yes. Doge will hit $10. Banks are buying in. Really, I haven't read anything on that. I've read nothing about banks buying Doge. Copyright it. Tesla's trying to drop below the 200 MA on the 1 minute. Not right around there. I mean, my EMA is under already. You guys are funny. So digital copies of it. Except Dogecoin has a payment. Yeah, that's kind of old news though too. The Cuban and the Dallas Mavericks. Some weed stores and too. Yeah, I told you guys, right? There's a couple shops here in LA that accept a Bitcoin and Doge. Let's see. Oh, Newegg, really? That's interesting. Ralph gave me insider info. We shops for accepting Dogecoin. Yeah, I think I mentioned it on 420. By the way, it's when I found out on 420. Yeah, Newegg accepting Doge. Interesting. I figured it out. The faster you walk, run, and pedal in the shower, it determines the water pressure. Oh, that's such a great concept now. Now that I think about it, I could picture it. So if your ass ain't running, if your ass ain't walking fast, you're not gonna take a shower. Oh, there you go too. The Oakland A's. I think we talked about this. I think this was trending on Twitter too. They're accepting Doge for game tickets. So the treadmills, it's around 125,000 guys that got recalled. 125K plus. So yeah, there was 742,000 jobs created. That's the most in 7 months. That's what we kind of saw the futures go up slightly, and then we started selling off again. We could call it the power shower. It sells itself. I'm telling you, it's gonna come to life now. I'm gonna be on Shark Tank. I'm gonna be on Shark Tank. Oh yeah. When the mold gets everywhere on it, it's gonna be flinging. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of problems with that. First of all, how are you gonna power it? Somebody in the audience holding names, he's gonna recognize you for sure. Oh man, they're gonna be like, hey, that's the guy who paper-handed AMC. Wow, he's in Shark Tank. Oh, those are funny. Alrighty, alrighty. Tesla at 668 is a buy. Yesterday we hit the 650s, man. I really want under 650s again. I'm gonna set my alerts just in case. Yeah, I don't know what the market's gonna do today. It's very difficult. Oh, we sit on our hands till then. Doge is at 65. Yeah, a lot of them are backing crypto. Kevin O'Leary's has like 3% in Bitcoin. Of course, the legendary Mark Cuban with Dogecoin. He's a huge fan too. He can accept crypto for payment. I saw Elon at the Buena Park Tesla. No way. I wouldn't doubt it either. The only way you can buy is crypto. We are brainstorming this idea. It could work. See, we just came up with a business idea. Like this. Screw Peloton. We're coming through, baby. We are coming through. I mean, we would have to raise like a lot of cash too. Get a prototype, patent it. What do we call it? The power bike. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go to Google. See if that's actually a thing, a concept. Shower treadmill. Oh my God, it comes up. The shower ton. The shower ton like Peloton. Oh my God. Half bakery ideas. So it's like a business ideas. Oh my God, someone came up with it in 2004. The idea is to create a waterproof treadmill that is compact enough to be integrated into the shower floor. The treadmill has stand features of variable speed and resistance, and you could use it while taking the shower. There is one advantage in addition to the workout, and that is that since the workout will make you sweat and thus open up your pores, the cleaning effect will be enhanced. That is freaking brilliant. Your pores open up. So you will come out not only refreshed, but very clean. Oh, and it has a thick rubber flooring that is slip resistant. P.S. There is also a version where the treadmill speed is connected to the hotness of the shower, but that model never sold. Wow. I'm telling you guys, every idea is literally like it's taken, man. But have they pulled through with it? Wow, I can't believe it. For those early morning workouts that you never do because you are in a hurry. That's like a speech right there. Like in Shark Tank. Sharks. You start like that and then you start your pitch. And then you kind of sell them on it. Be like, I know you guys lead busy lives. You have no time to go to the gym. Here is the shower ton. The internet has, yeah, everything's on here. The Aqua Jog treadmill. Marketing sells. There we go. Oh, this is different. This ain't no shower. That's hilarious. Alrighty, alrighty. I think we're gonna end it here, guys. We're gonna end it here. We're gonna come back power hour. With that being said, get Herjavec, Robert Herjavec. I saw him the other day and on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. I was like, wait a minute, I think I know who that is. That was hilarious. You never know, man. Maybe a couple years from now we'll see that idea and I'll be like, you know what? I think we thought of that before. Dogecoin is at 60, almost 66 cents. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys later on during Power Hour. Peace out, everybody. Have a great rest of your